I don't gain muscle strength by the end of this, this is all for nothing. Seeing this lighting in my house is so exciting! Welcome to day 3 of owning a home. I just carried in all of the paint colors, but I ended up going with this white for the downstairs and then this light gray for the upstairs. And oh my God, I knew paint was expensive. Like, I knew I was getting nice quality paint, but I spent $745. Yep. Right there, $746. But it's fine, I got all the tools that I need. The main reason everything was so expensive is because I got ceiling paint, but luckily whatever I don't use on the ceiling, I can just return. So crossing my fingers, I don't need 8 gallons of paint. But since I had all this extra sample paint, I was like, I don't know what to do with this. Like, this is still good paint. So last night, I might have decided that I hate the green fireplace, and I just decided to paint it. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, here is the green tile that I bought the house as, and then boom, gray. This is only 1 coat of paint, so obviously you can still see like the smudges. I really was just playing around, and now that I have like the nicer brushes and rollers, I'm just gonna paint them so it's nice and smooth that way. So the flooring person just left and gave me a quote for redoing the floors for everything, bottom floor, top floor, bathrooms, kitchen, entryway, all that. I honestly feel like a lot of people don't like to discuss money and how much things cost, how much they make, and if you don't like to talk about that stuff, perfectly fine. But just because I want this video series to be somewhat either educational or helpful for first-time home buyers or just young adults, because honestly, like, I don't have $30,000 to just redo everything with. I had Home Depot come the other day to see how much it would be to redo this kitchen, and just for a resurface would be replacing the doors, like just the space, nothing in here, and then doing the drawers as like a soft close, literally nothing else besides that, was $10,000. And I know kitchens are the heart of the home and they need to be nice quality, but $10,000 just for replacing doors? Absolutely not. Like, that just to me seems like such a rip-off. Like, I'd rather got the cabinets myself. That just seems insane to me. So, not gonna go with them for doing the kitchen. And then I had a flooring estimate, and for the company that came in today for laminate wood floors, to gut the flooring here in the kitchen, which is tile, the laminate flooring in the living room, and then carpet, which is upstairs, to gut it and then replace everything with new laminate floors, was $15,000. Which is a lot of money. We will see what we do there. This might become more of a DIY project than I initially thought, but now that I met with them and at least heard what they had to say, like, I know what I would have to do. Seeing all of the numbers is definitely important to me, and seeing how much it's all gonna cost, which is expensive, especially considering I started this video by spending $700 on paint. So, this is homeownership. Okay, it's been a few hours. I started priming some of the walls. I figured it just made sense for me to start doing the tedious work first. That way all of my friends can have the fun part of just painting the walls versus going in with a paintbrush and making sure all of the siding and trim and outlets and all that are perfect. So I'm going to head out, but I'll be back eventually. Hey guys, and happy 4th of July! I'm just stopping in really quick because I promised everybody I would not spend 4th of July alone in my house painting all day. So I'm just here to get a couple quick measurements and just to check on all the like paint stuff, but it's looking like a Reno project's happening in here. I want to start measuring out this bathroom. I think the first few things I'm going to do that are a bit more intense than just painting, obviously, is to deal with this first floor bathroom. And so I think what I want to do here is take out the vanity, and you see how it kind of goes all the way down. I just don't think it's necessary to go all the way across. They have a bunch of really affordable vanities at Lowe's, Home Depot, Menards, so I think I'm just going to go pick one of those up later this week and start installing it. And then as for the toilet, it's Kohler, so it's fine. I think I'm gonna keep it. And then obviously going to get rid of this, add some nice wood shelving, and then just get a new mirror and get rid of these bulb like circus lights, I think is what they're called, makeup lights. I just kind of have to see like what's behind here, but I'm just going to get some measurements and then look online at some pieces that I want. So maybe that's what I can show you guys later, because I really don't think anyone wants to watch me measure. It's just kind of boring. Okay, peace out. Here's my outfit. 4th of July. Oh my God, that's my diabetes monitor saying I'm high. I'm aware I had a piece of candy. Okay, so I have been home for a little bit and I have just been on my computer for probably the past, honestly, like hour for sure, looking at different bathroom vanities. I think the two I'm between is this one here, which I really like the gray. It's just white and clean, and this one has a drawer at the bottom, you guys can see. And then the other one I really like is this one, and it has a little more texture like here on the doors itself, and then at the bottom it's kind of open, and this one just comes in white, which is fine. And this one I think also comes with that mirror, and this is only $300 versus this one's $400, which long-term $100 isn't really gonna go that far, so it doesn't really matter. It just, I think, depends on the color that I prefer, and if I want the drawer to be like an actual drawer or just like not. And I think I'm leaning towards the white one just because I kind of like the way it looks that it's open, and since it's the downstairs bathroom, I don't really need a lot of storage. I really just need, you know, toilet paper, maybe some cleaning supplies, nothing crazy, some hand towels, which is why I don't think I would need the pull-out drawer. For my upstairs bathroom, I definitely am leaning towards like white or gray, and I really like this one, and it's on sale from $1,300 to $799, so $800 if we round. But I don't know, I just like the clean look of it, but I like the way this one looks. I like the inlaid sink, and I don't know, I think that just looks nice, so maybe we'll just do a little heart there and hit save. Like, this is a little too modern for me. Like, I definitely like this one better, and this is the 48 with 2 sinks, which I think would be really nice. Like, this one here is $800, and this one has 2 sinks, which I think would be really good for storage. I don't know, we're just looking at some stuff, you know, we're just seeing what's what. And I also think I should get a mattress this weekend because it's 4th of July and they have all of their sales going on right now. I was thinking about it, of how long I should wait to start looking at furniture and stuff like that, and because a lot of things are back ordered, the couch I really wanted is back ordered till February of 2022, and I will be moved in well before that. So one of the couches I really like online is this one. It looks like this. This one looks kind of dinky because it's just like 2 couches plus the ottoman, but I definitely don't think I can fit anything over 94 inches, and this one's 84. So I think that could be good. But definitely I'm just looking online for now, and then tomorrow's like the last day for most 4th of July sales. You guys can see the theme of white and gray here. Like, I think this is a nice kind of couch. We also have a guest staying with us for the next 24 hours. He's just chilling out here with me while I drop thousands of dollars on new furniture right now. But you know what? Instead of thousands and thousands of dollars, I'm only dropping thousands of dollars because of the sales. Here is my update. So I'm just gonna try out the original hybrid mattress, and I am getting a king, so it's on sale, saving me a couple $100, but still, it's expensive. And then the other place I'm going is Lowe's, and I'm going to get the white vanity combo, and it's gonna come, hey, I'm paying attention to you, you're fine, okay? Well, sir, give me a minute. And then down here, I'm gonna go with the Allen & Roth faucet, which is the one that was actually shown in the picture here. And then I'm gonna get this little toilet holder here. And then from Home Depot, I'll get the towel ring. And then I also want to replace the doorknobs and door hinges as well. We have $200, $400, and $1,000. Please pray for me and my credit cards. Payment number 1 is done. Order number 2 is now done. And order number 3. All right, well, as you can see my computer loading behind me, I have just been confirmed of 3 orders, and I think I just spent a little over $2,000 within the past 2 seconds. I'm budgeting this. I am budgeting this for anyone that's wondering. No, I'm not spending my money willy-nilly. I have my cap budget to spend on renovations, and so I feel a little less guilty about spending my money. Pause for drinking. You done? No. Looks like it's official. I have ordered majority of the things I need for my downstairs bathroom, and I've ordered my king mattress to get a bed frame for it, and then I also need to figure out what I am doing with the flooring in the half bath and what color I want to paint it. So that should be exciting, but I think that's enough of my money to be spent today. So thank you guys so much for watching and coming along my online shopping journey. I'm gonna be honest, I was in Lowe's yesterday getting some supplies for my fireplace DIY that I have been working on, and I honestly started moving towards the lumber section thinking I could DIY some other things with wood, and I just got slightly intimidated. I was also in the power drill section, and that was really intimidating. So I bought my cleaning supplies and I left and I went home. I honestly feel so much more comfortable ordering online, because even if it takes me the same amount of time to order online, I can be picky from my bed versus walking around the store looking like a chicken with its head cut off. So that was great. Felt 10 out of 10 doing that, but it's the 4th of July, so I will go and enjoy it. Bye guys.